Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your rental income with Zillow, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating a Zillow account if you don't have one yet. Visit the Zillow website and click on the sign up button. Fill in your details, such as your name, email address, and password. Once registered, log into your account. Navigate to the rent section found on the home page. Click on List Your Rental to start the process of optimizing your property listing. Enter the basic information about your rental property, including the address, number of bedrooms, and bathrooms. Add a captivating title that highlights the unique features of your property. In the description box, provide a detailed overview of your rental, including amenities, nearby attractions, and any special offers. Upload high-quality photos of your property. Make sure to include images of key areas such as the living room, bedrooms, kitchen, and bathrooms. Set a competitive rental price by researching similar listings in your area. Use the Zillow Rent Estimate tool for guidance on fair pricing. Consider offering flexible rental terms to attract more potential tenants. Make sure to include any additional fees, such as pet deposits or utility costs, in your listing. Review and adjust your listing's availability calendar to reflect open dates accurately. Utilize Zillow's rental tools to promote your property further. Consider using the Zillow Rental Manager to streamline inquiries and application processing. Respond promptly to any inquiries from potential renters. Maintain good communication throughout the entire rental process. Regularly update your listing to keep it relevant and attractive. Monitor the performance of your listing through Zillow's analytics tools. Make adjustments as necessary based on feedback and market trends. By following these steps, you can effectively optimize your rental income through Zillow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.